What's up guys, so today we're taking a look at a really special video. We're going to take a look at an unboxing for my latest acquisition. Now I don't buy watches often. I buy maybe one watch a year, and that's through extensive research and planning and just countless nights thinking about it. If you watched my old collection video just over a year ago when I got started into YouTube, there was a watch that I mentioned that I really wanted, but I've always pushed it off for some reason. Mostly because I didn't have the funds. It takes time to save up for these pieces, but it just makes that moment when you actually get the watch that much more enjoyable and meaningful. Saving up gives me time to really do my research thoroughly and think about it if I really want this watch or not. Just a little spoiler, I don't regret this purchase at all, and I am extremely happy with it. And I am wearing it right now, but I don't want to show you guys even if you do know what it is based on the title. There's a lot of people that I talk to about this watch, and there's been a lot of feedback that I've gotten, and I haven't told anybody. I didn't even tell them that I found the watch that I wanted. I don't know, let's get on to the unboxing. So I can't contain my excitement anymore. We need to open this box up. So, the moment of truth. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. This is so beautiful in person. I mean, I've seen a lot of pictures, but in person, just wow, that dial. Those markers, lume pips, they bubble, the fluted white gold bezel, jubilee bracelets. This is in like fantastic condition too. I mean, I don't know how well you guys can see, but it's practically brand new. And the owner said he does baby his watches, and I can definitely see that. So prior to the prior owner receiving this watch, he did have it serviced, so that's always a good thing. But wow, this is stupid beautiful. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but most of my watches are 40, 38, so this would be the smallest watch that I own at the moment. Look at those new Roman numerals and the real around the circumference of the dial. So let's get this on the wrist. Wearing the trusty old Submariner today. Before that, just do a side by side. So the Submariner is a 40mm and the Datejust is a 36. I can see very clearly, and probably you too can see that there is a large size difference. Putting it on for the first time, I am stoked. That fits like a dream. I am so happy with this purchase. Look at that crystal. Sapphire crystal on this particular model. The white gold doesn't stand out too much, but just enough. For those who know, can tell that it's white gold. I haven't had one of these clasps since I had the older Submariners, but this is the first Datejust that I ever owned. So since this is the 16234, not the 1601, it will have a a quick set date, which I really wanted. And here it is. Let's just set the time. So a minute past 25. Hacking seconds hand too. The black also has like a very slight sunburst effect. I'll have to bring this out in natural lighting to show you guys. But yeah, here is my new Rolex Datejust 16234. So I hope you guys enjoyed that bit. I know I did. I love reliving these moments through the perspective of the camera, and I enjoy other people's unboxing experiences. But yeah, this is the Rolex Datejust 16234. I've always wanted a Datejust. If you again saw my last collection video over a year ago, I mentioned wanting a Datejust and pushed it off, saved up, thought about it, and finally I've got enough saved up. I found the watch that I wanted, and just that's how the magic happens, I guess. I ended up with a new watch, and now I'm left with a 3-watch collection. If you don't consider my old childhood G-Shock and my dad's vintage Seiko, I don't really wear those. I keep them in a safe place just for keepsakes. So the main 3 watches that I have in rotation and wear religiously is my Rolex Submariner, my Rolex GMT Master 2, and now this Rolex Datejust. I think it's like a perfect 3-watch collection for me. I know what I like. I know I love black dials. I love sport watches that can also be casual and also be dressed up a little bit, and that definitely works with the Datejust. The versatility is incredible. The amount of outfits that you can wear with it, it's a lot of fun. I like to dress nicely, and picking out an outfit for the watch is never an issue. It's just so damn comfortable too. I mean, the smaller size, the Rolex Mariner and the Rolex GMT Master 2 being at 40mm, it really surprised me when I got this watch. Even though I tried on the 36, this one just in person and knowing that it's mine made me realize how much smaller 36 is, but the oyster case inevitably makes this a lot bigger than it would have been. I'll show you a wrist shot of this. It's a perfect fit on my wrist. There's gonna be a close-up shot of this somewhere in the video. It's just meant for my 6 3/4 inch wrist. Originally, I wanted a 1601, and what drove me to wanting that piece is just that it's a vintage piece, and they were relatively at a very nice price when I wanted it just over a year ago. But now they have skyrocketed, and the prices on the market right now and the prices that vintage dealers are offering them at, it just wasn't reasonable for me because of the next possible watch of that tier that you can get at that price point. I don't think a 1601, just the standard one, is worth $3,500 or more. You can get a lot better watches for that money, and frankly, even though this is a Datejust, I did pay over or just around there because this one is a newer model. It's not that vintage. I'm actually older than this watch. This one was made in 2002 to 2005, anywhere somewhere between there based on the serial number. It is the Datejust that was the model right before the modern ones right now. The modern ones are the 16234. This is the 16234. This one has that sapphire crystal. It has the quick set date. It also has the no-hole case, which I prefer aesthetically. I just think they look better. So it's not an old piece by any means. It has all the newer features, the newer movement, I believe. I could be wrong, but it has a somewhat relative to this era movement that is it's just comfortable to use. Having the quick set is so much more practical to me. I like to keep my watches at the correct date and time at all time. I also like the sapphire glass because it won't scratch up as easily as the acrylic ones, so it's definitely a step up, and it's not far off from the prices of what 1601s are. So, you know, why wouldn't I really just get the newer edition? It's just a superior watch. Of course, you can argue that it doesn't have that real vintage feel, but you know, I'm gonna keep this watch for the rest of my life. You know, 30, 40 years down, it's gonna be a vintage watch, and I'm gonna remember that at the time it wasn't so vintage, but when I'm a lot older, it's gonna be vintage, and it's gonna be that much more rewarding for me and just that much more sentimental. I like how the watch has its bracelets. You know, I don't really care about box and papers. I care about the bracelet, especially the Jubilee bracelet. It's flimsy, yes it is, but it doesn't have that much sag or wear on it. The case is in fantastic condition. It's running 2 seconds off a day, which is just outstanding. And the fact that the bracelet is there is just a lot more, you know, I just like it for some reason, because it's nice to know that the head hasn't been separated from the bracelet and that the head has been circulating throughout many owners for how many years without its original, you know, bracelet. So it feels like I have a complete set just here. It's also nice to be able to switch out to the Jubilee bracelet from a leather to a metal bracelet whenever I feel like. And these bracelets aren't that expensive really. These bracelets are pretty affordable on the market, just that I wanted the original one that came with my watch. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I post more videos like this. I'll have a versus video, a review, a comparison, and if there's any other videos that you want to see with this watch in particular, or just any watch, leave them in the comment section below. I love to hear your thoughts. So that's pretty much it. Check out my Instagram, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.